more than half a century ago. In 1966, the outcome of the Miranda v. Arizona case enacted that criminal suspects must be informed of their legal rights when arrested. If you've watched any crime drama, you can probably memorize these. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. This is naturally aimed at protecting suspects from threats from the police, but also unnecessarily. It is also a warning against self-blame. Former President Donald Trump has read the Miranda rights probably at least 4 times this year. Once for every indictment he has faced on August 14. Due accusations related to his efforts disrupt the 2020 presidential election. Trump denies all wrongdoing. But if you know Trump as well as I do, you know that keeping quiet isn't one of his greatest strengths. In fact, it could be his death. Columnists disturb columnists. In-depth political news, sports analysis, entertainment reviews, and cultural commentary. Trump has an extraordinary, almost sociopathic inability to control himself. For years we've seen the former leader of the free world utter unstable and preposterous words on Twitter and his own social media site, Truth Social. But his lack of discipline is also what his supporters love about him. His free hands, punchless kicks have made him popular with millions of followers who don't see these non-political slurs as problematic, alarming, or even self-destructive speech and honesty that is. The Republic. Trump's babble no doubt helped him politically. He is still at the forefront of the Republican nomination. But this unquestionably hurts everyone around him, including dozens of other defendants in cases. Convicted Trump supporters who attacked Capitol under his rule. The RNC, which pays legal bills, and House of Representatives, GOP, who lost the Senate and White House largely due to Trump's lack of self-regulation. But as his legal cases increase, Trump appears to be less and less willing to help himself by simply silencing the case. While judges and lawyers have repeatedly warned not make provocative statements or speak to witnesses involved in his numerous cases, he continues to ignore them because Trump needs Trump. Earlier this month, Trump promised continue speaking out about criminal cases even as prosecutors tried to stop him, insulting special counsel Jack Smith and insisting that him going talk about it. His lawyers have won at least one fight, but barely. After Trump withdrew from a scheduled press conference to reveal what he said was irrefutable and very heavy evidence of election fraud and irregularities the day before he was brought to trial on charges in 2012. But there is no doubt that he can resist speaking out, especially as the presidential campaign progresses through the electoral calendar and there are so many opportunities for babbling, cursing and bragging ahead of you. He is actually scheduled to attend rally with South Dakota Go!